For 20 years, people grew accustomed to VPNet brand. And now, it was time for VPNet to become A1. We knew that this change will raise some confusion among our customers. One thing was for sure, our social media agents will get a lot of inquiries. To take the pressure off our support team, we decided to give customers answers before they even ask the question and step up our user experience game. So we came up with an idea, A1 Digital Customer Care Wizard. It's an interactive website consisting of frequently asked customer questions with short and straightforward answers presented by a real person. This meant that users could get info on topics they're concerned about anytime and anywhere and still feel as if they were speaking to a real agent. In the first week of rebranding, more than 3,300 users visited the website. Bounce rate of only 19% and average 2 minutes per user on site indicated very good user experience. Considering that each video lasted between 15 and 30 seconds, this means that almost 4,300 users found an answer to their question on their own and experienced a new form of customer care service. So bye-bye telecoms!